Tired of your screen brightness constantly fluctuating on Windows 11? Discover how to fix it in You can expand this menu by right-clicking the Windows button, selecting Display Settings, then scrolling down until you find the Brightness category. Here, you should first make sure that the brightness slider is set to the maximum. You may also find an option that says Change Brightness based on content, which you can click to select off. There is another option that can say, "That's it. It's very easy to do, isn't it?" If this video helped you, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more high-quality content. Alternatively, you can turn off Intel Display power saving technology. To do this, open the Intel UHD Graphics Control Panel application, navigate to the Power section, and simply disable the option related to display power saving technology. Then, click Apply and OK to see if the problem still persists. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.